I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials: an active Jio number, an account with calling enabled, and a Wi-Fi connection where the router supports Wi-Fi or Jio fiber calling. Once done, install My Jio and Jio Call on your phone or enable the phone's Wi-Fi calling setting. This links your SIM's number to internet calling. Make sure permissions for microphone and phone are allowed so the app can place calls. Doing this now prepares you to authenticate and start calling over Wi-Fi. You should sign into My Jio or Jio Call and verify your Jio ID using the OTP sent to the link number, because this authenticates the device to your subscriber profile. Once verified, grant microphone, contacts, and phone permissions so calls can connect and your contacts appear. Then set Jio Call or the phone's Wi-Fi calling as the default dialer. This ensures outgoing calls route over Wi-Fi. Finally, double-check that Wi-Fi is enabled in system settings and that your device stays. You now place a test call to confirm everything. Listen for clear audio and connection stability, because early testing reveals setup gaps. If audio is poor or calls drop, move closer to the router, switch to a less congested network band, or enable mobile fallback so calls continue over the cellular network. If problems persist, restart the router, re-authenticate in My Jio or Jio Call, and verify your SIM's calling provisioning with support. This one key troubleshooting step, re-authenticate and restart network gear, fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.